ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ke East West Group of Institution Bangalore kebeladon kemasan postemi bat ke bapau baha ke kod admission na kebenta ke nursing and paramedical course yang jingte bakambanya kol hakini ke number harum.
Ka Grace Institution Bangalore ka college puli nursing ka babhatam na kabenta ki khna ka Meghalaya kala play ya ka admission minta.
Kesorkar jela kala menjur bantung ya kekong Iamonlang Syiem kum ke Chaiperson batmai jong Meghalaya State Commission for Women hadin ke jing no akam jong ke Chaiperson berem kekong pidalia toy ke jing tung jong kesorkar ya kekong Iamonlang Syiem kum ke Chaiperson batmai jong Meghalaya State Commission for Women kalong hadin bala syam bayagani kalong kemi kabade kanong ikai bala syong thai jong Department of Sociology ke St. Edmunds College Shillong kade bala tibet ban ajing syakri kum ke Chaiperson berim jong Meghalaya State Commission for the Protection of Child Rights ya kabala aji menjur dak kunhun menteri hak jingalang kablalong hak khat khandai teri ujulio arja arpusau.
It is important for me to point out here that number one reason for the non-announcement of the name of the chairperson was because of the application of the Model Code of Conduct in view of the parliamentary elections. Two is that after due deliberation, it was evident that the clearance of the name of the chairperson needs to be at the level of the cabinet. And today the cabinet is meeting for the first time after the parliamentary elections. We therefore were not, or rather we didn't have the need to rush to any decision because we have to complete all the required formalities. And one of those formalities was to obtain the clearance of the cabinet. In this same case, since there was another issue linked to this clearance of the name, which is that we have decided to increase the age limit for appointment of the chairperson from 65 years to 70 years, for which we have sought the views of the law department and have obtained the concurrence of the law department at the level of the Advocate General to the government of Meghalaya. So I'm happy to inform you that we have cleared the name of the incumbent, and in this case, Iamonlang Syiem is being appointed with the approval of the cabinet as the new chairperson of the Meghalaya State Women Commission. The details of the concerned incumbent is that she has vast experience in the field of protection of child and women's rights, and she also is chairperson of the Meghalaya State Commission for Protection of Child Rights, and a retired associate professor and former head of department of the Sociology Department, St. Edmunds College, Shillong.